Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Baby to nursery. Aravan stock market that hanger Tuesday, rebounding after the negative start to the week as Chinese authorities pledged to stimulate the world's second largest economy by 3:45 at 80 and 7:45 GMT. The DAX in German turned 0.9% higher. The CIC for 40 in France rose 0.9%, and UK FTSE 100 centimeter 0.7%, returning after the long UK weekend. China will step up measures to boost demand and stabilize employment and prices in the second half of the year to optimize economy outcomes, the country financial ministry said on Tuesday, as policymakers strive to prop up partly growth. The comments followed a big of new economic stimulus measures announced by China cabinet last week, including billions of dollars worth of policy financing. News that China's authorities are attempting to boost the country's economy March quarters with the tightening monetary policy sent through most of the rest of world. Federal Reserve Jerome Powell struck a hawkish tone at Jackson Hole conference last week, suggesting that the U.S. Central Bank would not pinch in the taining credit to rein inflation even at the outset of a recession. All comments were echoed by European Central Bank board member Isabel Schnabel over the weekend, stating the central bank must act aggressively to tackle rising inflation, with its mind importers will be looking at the week's data to judge if the recession fears around the world are just. Eurozone consumer confidence data are due later in the session. Customer follow on Wednesday, but more will be on Friday. Monthly as job reports and market might not likely a strong number if it is support the basis for a continuation of aggressive interest rate hikes in conference now unifor as the UN1 stock fell 22.2% after the German energy company said on Monday it is how now fully exhausted the €9 billion $9 billion credit line it got as part of a recent value due to the latest spike in natural gas prices. Aditi oil idea stock surges 13% after the world's largest classification and company reported quarterly results, with core market revenues up 10% year on year. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention. And then I'm so sorry for mistake. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.